Hi everyone, hope you are doing well. In this video, we are going to look about a free online short-term course conducted by PRL. PRL is an autonomous body under Department of Space ISRO, Indian Space Research Organization. We all know very well about ISRO. Okay, they are conducting the two courses. The courses was Planetary Science and Solar Physics. It was 5 days duration of course. The Planetary Science was conducted at May 15 to 19, 2023, and the Solar Physics was 22 to 26 May 2023. The two online short courses. Okay, I know that. Okay, conducted in this. This is conducted by PRL Physical Research Laboratory located at Ahmedabad under the auspices of this one CSTEAP, Center of Space Science and Technology Education in Asia and Pacific, affiliated to the United Nations. Okay. The main objective of this course was to introduce the what's the current trend, what the current research happening in the planetary science, the basic and current research trends in the field of planetary science and the solar physics. What the eligibility was in for the planetary science, the eligibility was if you wanted to go for a planetary courses or attend the planetary science courses, you done masters degree in physics, related to physics domain, or geology or atmospheric science or other equivalent related to the planetary sciences. If you done any masters that course is relevant to this planetary sciences, you have relevant coursework, also you are also eligible for that. If you are looking for a this one solar physics, your eligibility was you done the master's degree in physics or astronomy or astrophysics or solar physics or meteorology or other equivalent qualification relevant space science are also eligible for the solar physics course. If you are done a bachelor's from BE BTech in electronics, you are also eligible for that courses, but only BE BTech, it not mentioned about others. Okay, the course conducted English in only English only, no other languages will be entertained here. How to apply this course? If you go through this thing, you will you first register there by using your mail ID. I'm trying to register, but I'm not get any written confirmation mail for confirmation. You also face the same issue, let me know. If you are face the same issue, then you can contact the PRL officials. Their links are given below. Okay, you can contact this email ID also, web support at iirsgov.in, if you face any difficulty in submitting the online application form, or you can go to the PRL website. The course duration was, we have already discussed it, May 15 to 19 and 22 to 26, it is 5 days, planetary science and solar physics. That it is important. The last date of the course was 30 this month. Okay, you can go through this website to refer to apply, or you can mail for any other information relevant. You face any difficulty, you can mail this PRL officials. This is the brochure of the course. It is online short-term course on planetary and science, organized by CSTEAP and conducted by PRL. These two organizations. The date was 15 to 19 May. It was conducted at online. Last date was 30 April. You can refer these two sites. You can go through the PRL site once. You can go through the PRL site here you can know that this there is an announcement. You can go through this link and you can go through this link how to apply. Yes, leave this website. You can register here and you can fill all the details, select course, personal details, education, qualification, document verification, declaration, and apply closure. If you face any difficulties, mail them. They can help you, or you can go through this website also. Center for Space Science and Technology Education in Asia and the Pacific. This PRL website is not for this course only. You can find here summer internships. See, summer internship is open, and if you are wanted to do PhD in physics, this research laboratory is helpful for them. In the PRL, they release the job notifications also, like civil, mechanical, electrical. You can refer this website for the more details. It will help you. Hope this video is helpful for you. Let me know your thoughts. Thank you. Bye bye.